So we're proud about the community that we're building. We want people to know that there are other people like them trying to overcome the same challenges that they're facing. So we love hearing stories about how Franc users have saved up to buy their first car, or saved up for lobola, to get married. Those are fantastic. I was really encouraged recently. We ran a campaign for being able to invest 100 Rand every week for 24 weeks. And one of the winners that came out of that competition, when we told her that she'd won, burst out crying. And it was really so heartwarming, and she was so proud to be recognized for her achievement, which was being able to save and invest on a regular basis, which is so, so important.